This is day 85 and 86 because I made a Rolag and I don't have a blending board. So I'm going to show you guys how I made this. To make these Rolags right here, you're going to need some simple tools you might have. Fiber, a dog grooming brush. I use these as the little pole to create the Rolag, and I just used a brush to brush the fiber down. This is not a proper tutorial, but this is what I did. So with blending boards, this is technically similar to the blending board's teeth, tines, I believe they're called. So if you see the tines of this one slightly go in this direction, they're facing like this, like the teeth, as opposed to like facing like that way. They're facing this way. So what I would do is I would turn it so that they're facing this way, upward, and this is the direction which I will do the blending. That's my yarn. and I will update you tomorrow if I work more on this. This is day 87 of the 100-day project, and this is my make for the day. So I used up the 2 ounces that I made into Rolags. I'll put a picture right here so you know how much I had. I measured this to be 2 ounces of fiber, and to even out the variegated yarn, I decided to spin up more of the white color, and I'm going to take it off and I'm going to ply it. I think I'm going to do a 2-ply. This is my baby. I'm naming it Cookies and Cream Ice Cream. It needs to be thwacked. It's a 2-ply and it's approximately 205 yards, 4.4 ounces. Made with those Rolags. Thank you for watching. Look at that little curly Q. This is my first time using this spinning wheel to get a successful yarn, so I have much to learn. Alright, bye.